Dublin, the heart of Ireland, a city where history and modern life blend perfectly. Walking through its streets, you can feel the echoes of the past in its stunning architecture. From the majestic Dublin Castle to the impressive Christ Church Cathedral, every building tells a story. But Dublin isn't just about history, it's also one of the greenest cities in Europe. Parks like St. Stephen's Green and Phoenix Park offer a peaceful escape from the city buzz, with lush trees, beautiful lakes, and even wild deer roaming freely. For those who love culture, Dublin has no shortage of museums. The National Museum of Ireland, the Little Museum of Dublin, and even the Irish Whiskey Museum offer fascinating insights into the country's past and traditions. The city is also home to some of the most beautiful libraries in the world. Trinity College Library, with its breathtaking long room, feels like stepping into a different era. It holds thousands of ancient books, including the famous Book of Kells. And, of course, no visit to Dublin would be complete without experiencing its vibrant food and drink scene. Cozy cafes, traditional Irish pubs, and Michelin-star restaurants fill the city's streets. If you're a beer lover, you must visit the Guinness Storehouse, where you can learn about the history of Ireland's most famous beer and enjoy a pint with a panoramic view of Dublin. As you stroll through the city, you'll hear the sounds of talented street musicians filling the air. Music is the soul of Dublin, and whether it's a lively fiddle tune or a heartfelt ballad, it creates a unique atmosphere. Dublin's connection to the sea is also remarkable. The coastline offers stunning views of the ocean, with elegant yachts docked in the harbor and breathtaking cliffs along the shore. Whether you're exploring the charming fishing village of Howth or simply enjoying the fresh sea breeze, the views are unforgettable. And if you're a fan of creativity, you might be surprised to know that Dublin even has a connection to Lego. The city's love for art, design, and innovation can be seen in many ways, making it a true inspiration for visitors. Dublin is a city of contrasts, where ancient meets modern, where nature and urban life exist in perfect harmony. Whether you're here for history, music, food, or simply the breathtaking coastal views, Dublin will capture your heart.